Welcome to K7S AI Trading Lab. In the afternoon session, we have seen a clear direction in the market. Our direction indicator showed a downward move, and Ichimoku also confirmed the same. And we have seen a clear fall in the market. What exactly happened here is, the blue line crossed below the red line. That is the conversion line crossing below the baseline, a clear bearish signal. And along with that, price has also moved below the cloud, confirming downside momentum. After that, market started moving down clearly. This move continued all the way till our pivot level, around 73964. From that level, price reacted and moved slightly up. And finally, it closed near 74208. So as we discussed earlier, once we get confirmation, market gives a clear move. And in this afternoon session, we have seen good volatility in the market. This is exactly why we always say, wait for confirmation, and then take the trade. No guesswork. Only disciplined trading. If you found this analysis useful, please consider subscribing to the channel. And stay connected for more live trading insights.